So Dean, I buy cool stuff. Let's talk about that 1903 A3 I bought. So yesterday I showed you the parts that I bought at the gun show at the Livonia Elks last Sunday. And I think I got everything. But we're going to find out, and we're got to go through the parts box. So everybody that buys cool stuff should have a parts box. So we've got a little bit of everything here. I see bolt handles and anything you could imagine in there. I've got parts galore here. So when you're out gun showing and whatnot, and you find cool parts, you need to buy cool parts. So when you find a cool project, you can fix your cool project. And I've got many more parts than this. But we're going to sort out the parts. I don't think I need to show you a video on how to put an 03 A3 together. But we'll get her all together and post a video. And like I said, I think we'll take it out and shoot it just so I've got another video to post on YouTube. Trying to get this YouTube stuff done. But we're going to take whatever parts that I need. I'm sure I've got whatever it takes. I have a handguard. I did not go dig it out yet. I know I've got handguards. I put handguards up. I'm sure I've got an 03 A3 handguard. Pretty sure. Hope I do. So, but when you're out shopping and you see stuff, buy the parts. Parts are always cheap. If you get them right, you can always make money on them. That's what eBay's for. I could sell every one of these pieces and parts on eBay without a question. There's an 03 bolt right there. That one might be a little bit cleaner than the one I picked up to go with the gun. Because the gun's going to be so clean, maybe I'll use that one. But that's why you pick up parts. You got to buy parts. You got to buy cool stuff, and you got to buy parts. So we'll pick this video up later on. Alright, so I spent a couple hours diddling with this, on and off diddling, wasn't a lot. So let's see what we got. So we went through the parts. Them are ready to be put away. Gotta love parts. Gotta love parts. So we got her put all together. And I had every part. They supplied every part that I bought with the parts with the gun. Except for the screws to hold the trigger guard, the magazine well to the rifle. And I had a front screw. Did not have a rear screw. Might have one up at my shop. So it turned out excellent. It's all Remington parts through and through. And from one end to the other, it's like a brand new made rifle. I don't see any issues at all with it. Other than it needs a screw. We used the book because I didn't know how exactly to assemble the rear sight. But all the parts were there for it. Fully assembled. Ready to rock and roll. We'll take her out and shoot her. And please like, subscribe. Need subscriptions. And we'll see them all on YouTube when I take it out and shoot it.